guys? It's the day of the Christmas bird counts, and this is my first year participating, and I'm really excited because all the spots I'm going to are going to be really close to home. So my first spot is the Orange Reservoir, which is hands down my favorite place to bird. And so far I've seen a red-bellied woodpecker, and I've heard some birds, and there seem to be some Canada geese over there, and possibly some mergansers. So we'll see what we can find.
The Orange Reservoir Loop is a 1.8-mile paved path along the Orange Reservoir in South Mountain Reservation. This is my favorite spot to bird in New Jersey. In September, I was seeing things like bald eagles, green herons, great egrets, great blue herons, bunch of warblers, ospreys, and more. In the winter, you can find mergansers here, both hooded and common. You can also find an abundance of sparrows, as well as gulls, and, if you get lucky, a bald eagle. Of course, there are also many other species of ducks and Canada geese.
So we just finished up at the Orange Reservoir. It is absolutely frigid over here, but we got a total of 18 species. The coolest probably being a red-shouldered hawk. That was awesome. It just swooped down and flew right through a flock of Canada geese. Alright, so we're at Tulip Springs. So far, there's not been much except a mourning dove and some dark-eyed juncos. But I only heard them and didn't get that on camera. I don't know if this spot is going to be as good as the reservoir, where we saw 18 species, including a red-shouldered hawk, which was super cool. But this spot does not look as promising, but we'll keep on going on to see if we get any surprise. Alright, so we're at Taylor Park, which is a park in my town, and I'm here with my friend John, and we'll see what we can find. I'm hoping for some kinglets and hopefully some rock pigeons too. Haven't got those yet, which is surprising, but we'll see. After Taylor Park, I just ended up going home, and it's frankly too cold to go anywhere else. But we finished with a total of 24 birds for the day. No lifers, sadly, but it was just an incredible experience. And
thanks for tuning in to the Avian Observer. See you guys next time.